Hello friends, this is Heidi with Kiddos Koral. Today I'm making something really fun because my grandkids are coming over and I just thought that the family would just enjoy these today. When it is super hot outside and I don't want to have the oven on, I don't want to bake brownies, I surely don't want to bake cookies, or I don't want to bake a cake, I always make these treats and these are so delicious. These are my Fruity Pebble marshmallow treats. They are made pretty much like you would make a Rice Krispie treat, but I thought that I would share this recipe with you guys because I love making these so much. So right now in my pot here, I have one stick of butter that I've been trying to melt for quite some time. I actually turned the heat up finally, and it is finally melting. I love making these Fruity Pebble treats because I think they're so colorful and so fun, and everybody really enjoys them because they are a little bit different than a regular Rice Krispie treat. So since my butter is just about melted, I'm going to add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract to this. That's going to just add a little extra flavoring to this and make it taste really good. I'm going to turn the heat down on this now. I finally got it hot. Now I'm going to add 1 bag of large marshmallows. Now you can do 10-ounce bag of mini marshmallows. I just have the large on hand, so I'm just going to use those. You can use colored marshmallows. Those are really fun to use. I bought pink marshmallows before, and it makes it extra colorful with the Fruity Pebbles. I'm going to go ahead and add in all of our marshmallows because we got to get these melted. Get them all out of the bag. There we go. I always have marshmallows on hand this time of year because we do a lot of bonfires, and so we roast a lot of marshmallows and eat a lot of s'mores. So that and hot dogs are a must this time of year to have in the refrigerator. So I'm just going to simply melt these marshmallows and then I'll come back and I'll show you what is next. My marshmallows are pretty melted. I'm going to add in approximately 6 cups of Fruity Pebbles cereal, and I'm going to measure that out. Sometimes you will need to add just a little bit more. You add the cereal until it all kind of pools together, and you know that will set up nicely when you put it in your pan. Okay, that's 6 cups right there. And now you want to act quickly. You want to turn the heat off. And you want to get these Fruity Pebbles covered with this marshmallow mixture as good as possible. Now you want to have a 9x13 glass pan or metal. And you can either butter it or you can do as I have, and I have sprayed it with Pam. And I'm going to move the camera down here so you guys can see. So now I'm just going to put all of this mixture into the pan. And remember, this is good and hot, so be careful not to burn yourself. I'm going to push this down. What I like to do is take a little bit of wax paper and spray it with some Pam and place it over the top and press it down. That way you have a nice, even, consistent bar. So I'm going to do that. Now I'm going to place my wax paper that I just sprayed, and I'm just going to press this down. Now you can actually put your mixture into a baking sheet and it'll make it thinner, and then when it cools you can take cookie sheets and or cookie cutter, excuse me, and cut out really cute shapes for the kids. But I'm just doing bars because I feel like this is the easiest thing to do. So once I get everything all good and pressed out, I just peel this off. I'm gonna let this cool completely, and then we'll come back and cut these into bars. Don't they already look good? Our Fruity Pebble marshmallow treats are done and ready. You want to keep these in an airtight container at room temperature, and they will last for about 3 days. They will not last 3 days in this house. They will probably be all gone by midnight tonight, to be totally honest. But they are super simple, they're easy, they're colorful, they're a lot of fun. All the kids that come to my house enjoy these. My children still enjoy these, and they're not even kids anymore, and I love them as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this very simple recipe. Let me know if you try it. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe. Hit that like button if you enjoy these simple recipes, and I'll be talking to you all again soon. Have a great day. Bye, guys.